Hi guys, this is a quick video just to kind of hit on what's going on right now and what happened. I've got a lot of people messaging me on a lot of apps just asking me what the hell happened and what am I doing. So let me start with Wallstreet Bets. Wallstreet Bets is something I've been a part of for probably 2 years now, just actively looking at day trades and what people are doing for day trades and information. They've been upticking with all this GameStop short talks. If you guys are confused with what that is, there's a plenty of videos out there that will explain what a short squeeze is and a gamma squeeze is. Long story short, they started this bus. I started watching it. I didn't realize it was actually going to take hold like it did. So I felt like I missed the run up when GameStop went from, 1040 and so forth and so on. So I decided to participate in the next one, which is AMC. I also posted that I'm participating in the next one. I believe I jumped in around $4 and some change. I just bought like $1,000 worth just to see where it goes. From there, after hours it skyrocketed. Everyone else is kind of asking about it. Should I get in? What should I do? By the way, I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own due diligence before you invest. And my advice for that is never invest any money because some guy in some chat room said, invest your money. Make sure you're smart with your money. Make sure you do plenty of research no matter what you guys invest in, whether it's a short squeeze bet or it's something else. In this case, this is closer to gambling than it is investing. So it was a really scary territory and I just wanted to tread lightly. So I was tracking it in all the forums. And as far as forums go, I'm on StockTwits, I'm on Webull, I'm on Reddit, Facebook, Twitter, all these places you can research what people are talking about, how often they're talking about it. So when I started seeing that the AMC bus is coming, I jumped in early enough where I felt that I'm low enough in my position, I have a little bit of risk. And the one thing I always tell everybody, don't get greedy with all this. So when AMC went up and up and up, I think it got to the point after hours where it was 20 something. I took some profits at 19. About a third of what I put in, I took profits at 19. The other third, I took profits at 14. The rest, I'm actually letting ride out. If I lose it all, I'm fine because I'm actually in the green. So why this is hitting home and actually really painful for me as well as a lot of Wallstreet Bets guys, because these hedge funds have really controlled the system for so long and this is a great way to get against them. And ever since like the big Wall Street movement that happened back in the day, this is kind of the next Wall Street movement in a digital sense that actually made a difference. And obviously you guys are seeing it all over the news. Where it really hurts is places like Robinhood, where the point of Robinhood, the whole point of it just completely in shambles, because when they put a block this morning on allowing people to actually purchase something at your own free will, buying a stock that you want to buy with your own money, and they blocked it as a brokerage, that's just not fair because this kind of stuff doesn't happen on the other side of the stick to these hedge funds. So what happened when these stocks were sitting at these highs, if people all held on to them, we would technically win and the squeeze would continue and everyone would be fine. Unfortunately, when they put a block on these, a lot of people started panic selling. And unfortunately, a lot of other people that were putting their own actual money into this can't afford to lose it. So a lot of people started selling and panic selling. So that's why you're seeing this huge decrease, because you can't buy these stocks and people are scared and they're selling. If everyone held on to them, this wouldn't be the case. We would still be flying high with these stocks. But in the real world, it's really hard for people to hang on to these things when this is real money and they're afraid of losing it. And that's why they're selling and that's why the hedge funds are winning. And it's just not fair. And at the end of the day, the hedge funds win as always. So what do you do in situations like this? Well, you could say I'm gonna get rid of Robinhood. They literally pulled a bait and switch on the whole principle of Robinhood. But unfortunately, a lot of them did this. Like TD Ameritrade also blocked some people. I saw people saying they're trying to get their orders in and they couldn't do it, and people that were just panic selling because they're afraid they're going to lose all their money. And unfortunately, this is how it turned out. So when this is all said and done, I don't think the SEC is going to do anything because technically this isn't manipulation in the markets. This is just pure communication between people to purchase. But where do we win as the little guy? Where's the little guy actually come ahead in the story? And I don't think they do. Now, they did make a difference and we are on the radar of a lot of these, hedge funds and all these things that are going on in the news and in the industry, trying to make a difference, and actually people are paying attention. The problem is are they the right people and can they make a difference? And in this case, how do they make a difference and how can they actually stop stock market manipulation? And I don't know if this is a step in the right direction and how much money it's going to take for there to be any difference, and whose money is it going to be? Because at the end of the day, it's the little guys that are losing and it's the little guys that are trying to make a difference, and that's always what makes it the most difficult. So this is my two cents on this take today. I hope you guys found some value in this. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'm making more of these videos and ramping up. Again, I do a lot of my research on StockTwits. You can see trending tickers there. So if you're interested in investing, see what's up and coming and trending, plenty of them out there. I'll keep posting these videos. Stay tuned and I appreciate you guys today.